Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video I'm going to be giving you guys all the juicy details on this lovely unit that I'm rocking right here. So if you want to know all the details on this hair, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I'm super duper excited because this is the final wig review and install in this mini holiday glam series. So you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this series thus far. If you are, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to know all the details on this lovely unit right here, this is the Outre Perfect Melted Hairline Wig Declan. So if you want to know all about her and how I was feeling her, definitely make sure that you check out the iCards and the description box down below because I will have this wig review linked. But anyways, without further ado, we're going to jump into wig number 3. And you guys, y'all should already know what vibes we're on. We are definitely on nice, sultry, holiday glam vibes. So the next wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is from Outre, of course. Yes, like you guys, they do not come to play when it comes to the Perfect Melted Hairline collection. So if you have not tried any wig from this brand, you guys, and specifically this collection from them, what are you doing, sis? Like, come on now, it's time to slay. We ain't playing no more games. So today I'm going to be reviewing the wig Klair, and that's Klair with a K, honey, okay? And she is a 13 by 5 frontal wig. So you guys, we're just going to go ahead and get into the unboxing of Miss Klair. Alright y'all, so here's a close-up of the stock card of Miss Klair. Like I said, she is a 13 by 5 lace frontal unit in a body wave hairstyle, and she does come in a variety of different colors. You can get her in ginger brown, golden honey, paprika spice, chocolate swirl, and brown sugar melt. And of course today I have her in the color red velvet. And they do have some pretty cool, simple to easy follow instructions on the stock cards as well. So if you are new to wearing wigs, they definitely give you everything that you need in the Outre Melted Perfect Hairline series on how to apply your wigs. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the construction of Miss Klair. So she is 13 by 5, so we have lace from ear to ear. And we also have a 5-inch parting section of lace in the middle of the unit. She does also come with 2 combs right here by the temples. We have a comb along the nape section, and she does have adjustable straps, so you are able to adjust this wig to your head size. And you guys already know my favorite part about these wigs is the elastic band. So if you are just concerned about protecting your edges, sis, you definitely could do that by making this wig glueless with the elastic band. And you guys, the lace on this unit is super duper soft, and they did go ahead and pre-pluck the hairline and gave us some baby hairs. So I'm just gonna get up close, that way you guys can see what this lace is giving. And they do say that it is transparent HD lace, okay? You guys, look at that lace, and I love how small the knots are. It definitely does give a scalp-like appearance, and this lace is definitely transparent. Like, I have nothing underneath but my arm, and you can see right into the lace. And you guys, this unit is also 24 inches, so I'm thinking she's gonna stop about mid to low back on me, and I would definitely turn around so you guys can see. And again, I got her in the color red velvet for this holiday season. So she has some nice, pretty heavy highlights in the front, and then some sprinkles of red velvet throughout the wig. So let's go ahead and just get into this try on and actually install Miss Klair.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night night, any day. Let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day. Let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Okay. All right, y'all. So here are the final results of Miss Klair. Yes. Okay. Sis is giving everything that she needs to give. So I definitely love the construction on this unit. You guys already know I love the elastic band. And my favorite thing about this unit is definitely going to have to be the color. Outre did an amazing job, you guys, with the highlights in this unit. There are no harsh lines, demarcation from where the roots are to the ends. I really do love the color. I also love the lace on this unit. You guys, the lace on this unit is bomb, okay? We're talking no filter, no nothing. The lace is bomb, okay? And I definitely am gonna go back and add a little bit of concealer right here, just so that with my cap and this part of the lace match. I really do love this unit. And I also love the body on this unit. And I like the luster. It's not that shiny plastic look with synthetic wigs. So I do like that about this unit as well. So the only cons I have about this unit is, of course, there is a little bit of tangling right here in the nape section already. And I mean, it's synthetic, of course it's gonna tangle. So it's not nothing that a paddle brush cannot handle. So if you are gonna wear this unit on a daily basis, you definitely wanna make sure that you have either a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb. I would definitely say a wide tooth comb, because if you use the paddle brush, it is going to kind of comb out the curls. So the wide tooth comb will allow you to separate the wig and it won't really disturb the curl pattern too much. But other than the tangling and I did notice a little bit of shedding as well with this unit. I will say this unit does shed and tangle a little bit more than Declan, the straight unit that I had. And I want to say that's probably because this is a body wave texture versus the other one is straight. So other than that, I would definitely give Miss Klair she gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, sis is just giving, okay? You definitely need this unit. She's doing everything that I need her to do. I definitely would suggest adding Miss Klair from the Outre Perfect Melted Hairline collection to your wig collection because she is definitely worth that coin, okay? All right, y'all, so that is all that I have for this wig review / install on Miss Klair from the Outre Melted Hairline series. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this video with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's not my fault.